A good video title is all you need. It is very important to have a very good video title as people can search it very easily. It gives you more engagement on the social media platform. But how to do so? How to make a exact and typical YouTube title that can give you more engagement and people can like that title. In today's video, I'm gonna tell you about 3 tips that I personally use in my YouTube videos, and I'm gonna tell you those 3 tips so that your YouTube videos will have more engagement and will be crisp and clear. So write down, coming from the start, the tip number 1 is the title should be simple. We always say that simplicity is the best policy. Yes, simple is always the good. So tip number 1, it should be very simple. Just resemble yourself into the title. Tip 2, keep it short. Not as much short that your title will not be descriptive. The big title usually gets hid under the circumstances of a YouTube video. So if your title is simple and short and declares all the content in your video, it will be easy for the audience to grab the information only from the title itself, and you can have more engagement about it. Tip number 3, use keywords. You know, whenever we put something in the search bar, we always see the trending items like trending music videos, trending songs, or trending topics that are going on in the social media. So YouTube algorithm, particularly YouTube algorithm used to have a YouTube community and YouTube guidelines affect the trending part. If your video is in the trending process or the content is about the trending news that is going viral into the social media, it will keep pushing the video upward and upward so that many people can see the video. The engagement is good, you'll get more likes, more views into the video that will eventually give you a more watch time that will help to grow your YouTube channel. So these are basic 3 tips that I personally use in my YouTube channel, and I'll personally recommend you to use these 3 tips. And whatever the process, let me give in a small example. Let's head towards the process. Way 1, writing a title on your own can be time consuming and require a lot of things. So write an ideal title. You can take the help of Gravity Write, the AI program or the AI software. The link is in my description. You'll have to enter some keywords like the topic of the video, etc. Now it will generate some titles and also thumbnails ideas. You can pick one title, copy it, and test its credibility on the website called IOCO by pasting it. The link is in the description. Also, you can find it. It will show you a score out of 100, which basically tells you how well your title is going to perform the YouTube. Alternate, let's say you were not able to think of the keywords. So what to do now? Well, it's simple. All you need is to tell Gravity Write what you need in your video, what the content is all about, so that it will directly give you a specific title of your particular video for the more engagement, as I talked previously. If you find this video useful, if you find my tips useful, you can give it a thumbs up. You can share it with your other friends who are into content creation, who really need some title tips so that their videos are going to be trending. So that's it from my side. If you like this video, like. If you like the content, just subscribe the channel, and I'll see you in the next video.